Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a gyroscope properly. Gyroscopes are fascinating devices that help maintain orientation and stability. They are found in many modern technologies, from smartphones to aircraft. Understanding their core principles is key to effective operation. We will cover calibration, stable platform usage, and interpreting data. This guide will help you unlock the full potential of your gyroscopic tools. Proper calibration is the cornerstone of accurate gyroscope readings. Always begin by performing a zero-point calibration, ensuring your device is perfectly still on a flat surface. This step eliminates initial biases and ensures precise measurements. Environmental factors, such as significant temperature fluctuations, can affect sensor performance, so be mindful of your operating conditions. A well-calibrated gyroscope provides reliable data for all your applications. Maintaining a stable environment is crucial for accurate gyroscopic data. Securely mount your device to prevent unwanted vibrations, which can significantly distort readings. Sudden, jerky movements should be avoided, as they introduce noise and make data interpretation challenging. Understanding the difference between actual rotational motion and inherent sensor noise is vital for drawing correct conclusions from your gyroscope's output. Practice observing its behavior in various scenarios. To truly master gyroscope usage, consider integrating its data with an accelerometer, often called a 9-axis IMU. This fusion provides more robust orientation estimates. Employing digital filtering techniques, such as a Kalman filter, can significantly reduce sensor noise and improve data clarity. Furthermore, always keep your device's firmware updated to benefit from the latest performance enhancements and bug fixes. These practices ensure optimal and reliable gyroscopic operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.